Hey guys, welcome to Codesiddhi.space. In our last video, we have seen how to manage your domain, and the key scenario is uh, in that case, we saw an example of the domain that has been purchased from Codesiddhi.space itself. But the case might be different, right? You might use domain from any third party provider in order to use hosting. That is not mandatory that you need to purchase domain from us only. So you can bring domain from GoDaddy, Hostinger, HostGator, wherever you want to purchase your domain, you can purchase the domain. But obviously, you will get the cheapest price here. But then still, if you have already purchased the domain from somewhere else, then still you can go ahead and use those domains and connect that domain to the hosting account that you have purchased in Codesiddhi.space and start hosting your website. The example that I'll be showing you how the system works is this one, riditech.com. This client is also hosting their website on codecity.space, so on our servers itself. So I'll be taking the example of this particular client. So they are the IT consulting firm specializing in fintech or something like that. So anyways, financial technology. So anyways, their website is a WordPress website that has been hosted on CodeCD servers. Okay, but the domain that they are using, riditech.com, this domain is purchased from GoDaddy. This is not purchased from CodeCity. So how come the domain is connected to the hosting account? So first thing is log in to your ZPanel account. This is what I'm showing, how to connect this a domain that has been purchased from GoDaddy or any third party providers, Hostinger, HostGator, Bluehost. Uh, there are so many, Miles Web. There's so many domain providers, right? So wherever you purchase the domain, the process will be same. But for this demo purpose, I'll be showing you uh, how to connect the domain from GoDaddy. But you should follow the same process wherever you purchase the domain. You need to follow the same process in order to connect the domain and hosting. Okay, and this complete process is not needed if you have already purchased the domain in CodeCity, because the configuration is automatically done by default. But if you purchase domain from third party and using hosting from CodeCity, then this particular video is very important. All right, so let's get started. So let's say riditech.com is purchased from GoDaddy. So I'll open the GoDaddy dashboard. This is a GoDaddy dashboard, and I'll keep another tab open of ZPanel account. Okay, I have logged in, and this is the dashboard that we have right now. So I'll go back to GoDaddy, and I'll browse for that particular domain name. This is the domain name, and I'll click on DNS. So remember, you need to use the name servers that has been provided by Codesiddhi. You can simply reach out to the live chat option or support option and ask for the name servers that you want, that you should be pasting it, that you need to copy and go to your GoDaddy account. So you'll get the name servers details from us. You just simply copy that and go to the DNS management dashboard. Under Riditech, you will see here the option called as name servers. If you click here, scroll down. Right now, the name servers is ns1 stackdns.com, ns2 stackdns, ns3, ns4. Right? These are the name servers already connected. These are the name servers that are provided by Codesiddhi by default, and we need to copy that name server and paste it here. So by default, this will not be there. So already the client has connected their account, their domain name with our Codesiddhi servers. That's the reason you are able to see this. These are the name servers. These are the name servers even for you also. If you have hosting from Codesiddhi and you want to connect your third party domain, then you need to copy this one. You just simply note down ns1.stackdns.com, ns2.stackdns.com, ns3.stackdns.com, ns4.stackdns.com. These are the name servers. Simply copy this name servers, go to your domain dashboard. Under name servers, use there will be an option called as custom. If you simply click on change name server or something like that, by default GoDaddy name servers will be available. then you simply need to select I'll use my own name server and add the ns1, ns2, ns3, ns4 stackdns.com and click on this save option, right? So once you do that, now what happens is this particular domain will you can go ahead and start managing from this dashboard. In the sense, the domain is now connected to the domain is using the name servers that are provided by Codesiddhi. This is the main concept. So let's say if you have purchased the domain name from Bluehost, HostGator, wherever you purchase the third domain name, simply what you need to do, simply get the name server details from us. Go to the domain management dashboard. Under the name server tab, you need to simply add ns1 stack DNS, ns2 stack DNS, ns3, ns4 stack DNS.com. That's it. And simply click on save. Once you do that, now you can come back here after, let's say, 2 to 3 hours of propagation. Once after that, you can come back here, scroll down, click on hosting, and then click on manage. Once you have pasted this name servers here, and let's say you allow 2 to 3 hours, after that you can come back here and start hosting your website. You can put it in your website, put all the files, you can host your files. Now the website will be live without any issue. If there is an issue, you'll see it in the right hand side. There will be an error stating that the domain that you are using is not connected with our name server. Please copy this name servers into your DNS management, something like that. The error message will be shown to you. All right. So now once that you have connected, there will be no error message on the side right hand side of this screen. Then we are good to go. Now if you scroll down here, you will see the domain options here. You can create subdomains. You can manage DNS records. Simply click on domain and let's see what are the options that we get. See, you can manage your subdomain, manage your subdomains from here, manage DNS records, manage domain. Manage DNS record, you should be able to do it from here only. Codesiddhi.space DNS interface itself, you will be able to go ahead and manage your DNS record. You cannot go and here you cannot add the DNS record because it will show you an error that uh, uh, delivering an action. Okay, we can't display you DNS information because your name servers are not managed by us. That means you cannot manage DNS records from here because the name servers that has been added is Codesiddhi's name servers. So you can manage DNS from here. Simple, right? And you can go ahead and add or create, manage subdomains as well from this interface. And you can change your root folders. Either you want to use public underscore HTML, or if you want to change your root folder, you can do this from this interface. Okay. So this is it. So what we have learned in this video, no matter where you purchase the domain, if you have hosting from Codesiddhi, then copy the name server of Codesiddhi.space and paste the name servers in your domain provider's interface. In this video, we have taken an example of GoDaddy. It might be any third-party provider. Every third-party provider, wherever you have purchased domain, will offer you to use your own custom name servers. In that place, you need to paste the name servers that has been provided by Codesiddhi, so that you can manage domain directly from Codesiddhi server, and you can also manage your hosting. You can manage your file manager, you can manage your website, relate all the functions you can simply do from single dashboard directly, right? This is it. I think it is not too much confusing. Still, if you have any questions or if you get any questions, please feel free to ask, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.